healing. What is all this fuss about anyways? Just forget what happened in the past and move on, man. Cheer up. Life moves on. It's just a phase of life. People say this, right? And then you pretend to move on, hiding your wounds under your shirt inside the small pocket called heart, avoiding to remove it at any cost, and you decide to move on consciously. I want you to remember that old sock you have kept in the backside of your closet, buried under the pile of clothes. Now remember those winter clothes you have packed because it's summers now. And now you can remember that piece of woolen shrug, jacket, thermal, cap that you have kept somewhere which cannot be seen with naked eyes. Well, if you're able to remember that sock, you're able to remember that winter piece of clothing, then what makes you feel or think that your past events are buried and you won't be able to remember them? See, whenever a related incident happens, our mind pops up the similar kind of memory. Imagine you see a child cycling on the ground and then you remember, oh, when I was learning cycling, so and so thing has happened. Same thing with swimming, same thing with playing basketball, same thing can be your first stage experience, public speaking experience. So the way these memories are presented to us, similarly hurting memories are also presented to us. Isn't that the reason you see couples fight on the same issues again and again? People break relationship at the instance of repetition of similar incidents. Every fight goes back to some date where similar thing had happened. Also, someone's loss reminds us of our loss. Someone's grief, failures remind us of our failures and grief. And we keep brooding over same things again and again. If you find yourself brooding over the same things again and again, getting hurt on same things again and again, and getting affected by people's opinion or getting affected by some past traumatic event, then you have to realize that these are the symptoms where you need healing. Imagine someone taunting you on something that hurts you all the time. Now imagine same taunt not invoking similar kind of hurt in future. How would it look like? How does it feel like? Freedom, isn't it? This is what I call emotional freedom. Let the world say any damn thing. Let any past event of your life come and try to haunt you. It should not lose the serenity of your mind. That's the actual win. Would you like to have that? If you would like to have that, then please consider healing as one of the best way. There's a lot of taboo around it. Remove it. It's a progressive world out there. Always have progress over perfection instead of living a life by burying all the negative events in our life, past events in our life, which are driving and which are stopping, sabotaging our success in whichever field. It can be relationships, happiness, wealth, career. It can be in any field that you're not able to move on. Just get yourself healed. That's the best way. Focusing on the future while looking back is not possible. Have you seen anybody driving a car going ahead while looking back? It's like driving a car with a handbrake on. It's not going to go with the speed that is expected it to go. That's the reason healing is required. Just moving on, saying that I've moved on, I've forgotten everything, doesn't help. Consciously we might say, but again we come back to same kind of reactions, same kind of decision making, procrastination, procrastinating our success, not achieving your goals. And there are many side effects that we go through when we really don't consider healing. If you would like to get healed, then go to my Instagram bio. There is a link. You can click on the Calendly link and book a free 30-minute clarity call. We can get on one-on-one session and think how this can be worked on if it is affecting your life.